because of the wild, untamed beauty. But not all animals are as friendly as they seem. First up, the box jellyfish. Its sting can cause heart failure in minutes. Next, we have the king cobra. One bite can kill an elephant. Scary, right? Now meet the blue-ringed octopus. It's tiny but packs enough venom to take down 26 humans. Moving on to the saltwater crocodile. The ultimate predator, it has the strongest bite of any animal. Last but not least, the mosquito. Surprised? This tiny terror spreads deadly diseases to millions every year. Stay safe, folks, and remember, nature is